All right, it is time for day 3 of our Heggerty lesson. All right, the first thing we're going to do is rhyme recognition. So I want you to listen to the 2 words and decide if they rhyme. Think about where words that rhyme sound the same. They sound the same at the end. Ready? First 2 words. Gray, grow. Gray, grow. Do those 2 words sound the same at the end? No, they sound different. They sound the same at the beginning, but not at the end. Trick, track. Trick, track. Do those sound the same at the end? No, they sound different at the end. The beginning is the same, but the ending where it rhymes is different. All right, grape, drape. Grape, drape. Good, those rhyme. Our mouths make the same shape for grape, drape. All right, what about slow, drew? Slow, drew. No, they don't rhyme. They sound different. Last one, train, brain. Train, brain. Good, they sound the same. They rhyme. All right, the next part, we're going to talk about onset and rhyme. The onset is the beginning sound. So I want you to tell me which word has the different beginning sound. Ready? Trainer, pretty, trying. Trainer, pretty, trying. Which one should not be in that group? Pretty, good. All right. Freckles, frozen, flashlight. Freckles, frozen, flashlight. Which one does not match? Good, flashlight. Frozen and freckles have fur. Flashlight has full. All right, spoken, steady, statue. Spoken, steady, statue. Good. Spoken has sp, not st. All right. Planet, slither, plastic. Planet, slither, plastic. Good. Slither has soul instead of pull. Last one. Storage, scorpion, scamper. Storage, scorpion, scamper. Good. Storage starts with st. And scorpion and scamper start with sk. Great job. All right, we're going to blend the phonemes or the sounds in each word together, and then we'll say the whole word. Ready? B, ow, n, brown. G, e, n, green. K, I, s, p, crisp. G, a, gray. F, o, z, froze. B, oo, brew. G, a, b, grab. B, I, j, bridge. G, a, n, t, grunt. Great job. All right, we're going to listen for the middle sound again. It's also called the medial sound. It's in the middle. Ready? Tell me what sound is in the middle of all of these words. Club, crunch, smudge. Club, crunch, smudge. Good. It has our short U that says Clean, breathe, squeeze. Clean, breathe, squeeze. What sound do you hear in the middle of those words? Good, it's our long E that says E. Next one, scroll, thrown, flown. Scroll, thrown, flown. What sound do you hear? O, good. We know our mouth makes an O shape when we say that sound. Ready? Swam, crack, scan. Swam, crack, swam. What sound do you hear? Good, our short A that says ah. Next one, 12 press fled. 12 press fled. Good. It has our short E that says eh. Next one, strain, trace, blaze. Strain, trace, blaze. What sound do you hear? Good. The long A that says A. Truth, cruel, bruise. Truth, cruel, bruise. Good. It has our oo sound. Last one. Trip, thrill, skit. Trip, thrill, skit. Good. It has our short I that says I. All right. We're going to say a word now, and we're going to break it apart. We're going to say all of the phonemes or the sounds. Ready? Glaze. G, l, a, z. Blow. B, l, o. Flame. F, l, a, m. Play. P, l, a. Sleeve. S, l, e, v. Prize. P, r, I, z. Brim. B, r, I, m. Cried. K, r, I, d. Bright. B, r, I, t. Bright. Last one. Freeze. F, r, e, z. Freeze. Great job. All right, now we're going to add a sound to the beginning. The first sound or the initial sound. Ready? Say writer. Add b. Brighter. Say risk. Add b. Brisk. Say rost. Add f. Frost. Say rhyme. Add g. Grime. Say rash. Add t. Trash. Say ring. Add b. Bring. Last one. Say rums. Add k. Crumbs. All right, we're going to take a piece away. We have a blend at each beginning of each word. We're going to take away that first letter and leave only one sound in our blend. Ready? Say craft. Say craft, but don't say k. Raft. Say brace. Say brace, but don't say b. Race. Say grin. Say grin, but don't say g. Rin. Say pray. Say pray, but don't say p. Ray. Say bride. Say bride, but don't say b. Ride. Say freeze. Say freeze, but don't say freeze. Say crunch. Say crunch, but don't say k. Runch. Say praise. Say praise, but don't say p. Raise. Say fresh. Say fresh, but don't say f. Resh. Last one. Say crow. Say crow, but don't say k. Row. Good. Now we're going to change the blend. So I'm going to take the old piece off and change it to something else. Ready? Say blind. Change bl to gr. Grind. Say clip. Change cl to dr. Drip. Say fly. Change fl to pr. Pry. Say glue. Change gl to tr. True. Say fleece. Change fl to gr. Grease. Say scout. Change sk to gr. Grout. Say please. Change pl to br. Breeze. Say smog. Change sm to fr. Frog. Say sneeze. Change sn to fr. Freeze. Last one. Say tried. Change tr to brr. Bride. Great job.